alaikum. Hello dear viewers and listener. I hope you will be fine, happy and healthy today. Today we are going to begin the re-entry for result class with so in the use of will and won't. So result class with so we will discuss today. Here they have given a sentence and that says that here the instruction says that make a chart of your classmate birthday, then look at the horoscope on page 28, talk about the classmate sign and future. And then they have given one example, Susanna October 20th. So Susanna was born on October 20th, so she has Libra. She'll travel to an interesting place soon. Maybe she'll go to Japan. So here we will talk about this one. Suppose the horoscope is there in the book. You can read them as well. We have these class fellow. Khalid is there, Salma, Ahmad, Fatma and Kashif. And their date of birth or birthday are these. These are their birthdays and these are the name of their stars. And we will talk one sentence, one positive and one negative sentence of our own by using will and won't. In positive sentence we will use will and in negative sentence we will use won't. Okay, and we will also use result clause with so. I have also written some work for verb. For example, meet mean मिलना, buy खरीदना, visit मुलाकात करना, सैर करना, travel सफ़र करना, start शुरू करना, pass करना, get हासिल करना, फेल नाकाम होना, लूज हारना, become बनना, सफ़र बर्दाश्त करना. So these verbs are also included in them. For example, if I tell you that Khalid was born on July 27th, so he has Libra. So result ये हुआ कि इसी तारीख पैदा हुआ था तो इसके सितारे का नाम स्टार का नाम Libra है. So he has Libra. And if we want to say one positive and one negative sentence about him, like astrologer की तरह, नजूमियों की तरह. For example, he'll meet an interesting person and he won't fail the test. He'll get first position in the exam. Right? Similarly, we can say that Salma was born on November 15th. So she's Scorpio. Scorpio इसके सितारे का नाम है. She'll visit she'll visit her relatives and she won't lose anything. वो किसी भी चीज़ को ज़ाया नहीं करेगी. Right? इसी तरह we can say that Ahmad was born on June 2nd. 2 न कहेंगे, second कहेंगे, ordinal number. Ahmad was born on June 2nd. So he has Gemini. उसके सितारे का नाम Gemini है. He'll start a business and he won't lose anything in the business. And he'll get a lot of money in the business. Right? So say something about the future, will and won't. Similarly, we can say that Fatma was born on February 3rd. So she has Aquarius. She has का contraction form she's, we can also say she's Aquarius. Yeah, and we can say that she'll pass all her exam easily and she'll get a good job in the near future. Right? And she won't be sorry what she has done, what she'll do. वो जो भी करती है इस पर वो अफसोस नहीं करेगी. इसी तरह we can say that Kashif was born on May 1st. So he has a Taurus. So he is Taurus. उसके सितारे का नाम Taurus है. He'll become a great officer. And he won't suffer any hardship. He'll buy a laptop for himself as well. And he'll visit many countries of the world. He'll travel by airplane. Right? And he'll meet a lot of great people. And he won't meet those people who are bad characters. He won't meet bad character people. So will and won't you can use through this activity. Dear viewers and listener, as you know, this is level 3, and the level 3 activities are easy, not difficult. But if a person has no command upon level 1 and level 2 activities, beginner activities, so then really level 3 is a little bit difficult for them. So if you are weak, if your background is weak in English, poor in English, so then you should first of all try to watch the beginners level 1 level 2 activities, and then also watch the grammar, tenses, active passive, similarly part of speech, and all the thing which we have uploaded for the beginners. I hope you will have learned this one. Try to share it with your near and dear one, and try to watch it again and again for your future success. Thank you so much. Khuda Hafiz.